Hey guys! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a simple yet essential skill for video editing: how to create smooth rolling text in Capcut. Whether you're working on movie credits, creating a scrolling news ticker, or adding professional-looking text animations, this tutorial has you covered. First things first, let's add our text. Go to the text menu and bring the default text to the timeline. Now insert the text you want to use. I've got this sample text copied from Copilot. Copy the section of your text and paste it. Reduce the size of your text from scale bar. Make sure to fit properly to screen. Here you can see the text is stationary. To rolling the text, we need to add keyframe. For this, drag your text down the bottom. Make sure your X component position must be 0. Add keyframe of position at the start of text layer. Then move playhead to end of text layer. Now drag your text and move it above like that. New keyframe will automatically added. Here you can see text is rolling. To increase or decrease the speed of rolling text, simply increase or decrease the keyframe distance. Here you can see text is rolling. If you feel that your text is lagging, increase the frame rate for smoother experience. I have already increased. Time to add other part of text. Move playhead about here. Copy this text layer and paste it above. Second text layer is add to your timeline. Now edit the text of second layer. Go and paste your text in second layer. But this will affect your keyframe. To fix this, simply drag your text accordingly. Doing this, new keyframe will be added. Delete previous by selecting and press backspace key. Adjust your new keyframe accordingly. Here you can see I am reducing the speed of second layer of rolling text by increasing the distance of keyframes. Second text layer is also done. Repeat the same process for more text. Now let's check the final result. If you are satisfied, then click Export key to export video. Also, if you found helpful, make sure to give thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.